Welcome to Pluralsight and this Red Team Tools course featuring WMIOPs, the open source lateral movement tool developed and maintained by Chris Trunser. WMIOPs is a tool that penetration testers and ethical hackers can use to execute commands, gather information, and run PowerShell scripts on remote Windows machines. WMIOPs is used for lateral movement within a network, using credentials you already obtained on a host you already exploited. WMIOPs is a PowerShell script containing a variety of functions that leverage Windows Management Instrumentation, or WMI, to remotely manage Windows machines. The functions in WMIOPs enable you to execute commands, run scripts, download files, and schedule tasks remotely. Come join me as we use WMIOPs for lateral movement from an exploited host and gain access to remote workstations and servers.